This is us on a bike ride. Going through, well, not really, because I'm on a scooter. Not a scooter. What? We're not going anywhere, we're just going down.
Now where are we going then?
I don't know. We're going
home?
around the block.
No.
Let's look around the block. This is where we live. Ew, it's Jenna. Ew, it's Todd. Ew, it's a fucking mailbox. I was gonna send you this video short. He hears you say that. This is our neighborhood. This is our neighborhood. Hey, look, Barbie. It's Barbie.
Oh, it's awesome.
Let's go more. As you see.
Ah!
Shut up. Jenna. Because for some reason, Lexi's, it doesn't zoom in when you're playing video.
Ew.
It's weird. I can zoom in on making this video.
Shut up. That'd be nasty.
Oh, you're so mean, Todd.
Oh.
Oh no. What would suck is if I drop this. Ew. We clean this house, and there's a poster that has sex positions all over. Yeah, Jenna. Showing us around the house. Yeah, Jenna. What, Jenna? Look at my shadow. It's so pretty. It made my wreck. Get it. Jenna's gonna try to get a scooter. Let's walk over here. She has two.
No, it's one no. Hold this, please. This.
She gets it from the trash. From Mitzi's house.
Oh, what, her bedroom?
Oh, God. Stop being so mean. Oh, no. I dropped her bike. Let's watch Jenna try to go through them.
She's gonna die.
They're snakes. No, just kidding.
Yeah, probably are.
Yeah, possibly.
There's freaking a bunch of cobras and daddy long legs.
Daddy long legs are poisonous. They can't bite you. So gay to me.
Take this on.
Yeah. Poisonous.
God, please don't let a snake bit me.
Oh, stop making fun of what she talks.
I'm making fun of how she talks. Stop saying that, Michael.
Jenna has it. The squater.
See, you just did it.
The squater. No, I'm making fun of the way I talk.
Yeah,
I
right.
say scooter, but sometimes I make fun of, like, I say joyful.
Yeah,
Like,
right.
do you... Hey, look. They have lesbian mom.
Hilarious.
Jenna, does it work? The wheels all busted.
Who has a lesbian mom?
Those stupid. Look at the wheel. It's so stupid. Look at the wheel. Hold on.
Wait, who does? What is it, square wheel?
Wait.
Wait, who has a lesbian?
They do.
Who, Cameron?
There's two kids right
Who?
there.
Mexican dudes?
Yeah, they
You
have.
know that kid?
Oh, let's go see the
Aaron?
lesbian man. Here, it was Giselle's house. Ew. So ugly. Hey, look, people.
I'm taking pictures of random people.
I'm not taking pictures. I'm doing a video, Todd. Stop doing that. They're gonna like call the cops on me and say I'm taking pictures of them. Where's Jenna? She's just getting over here. Can't see the freak. Come on, Jenna, catch up. Isn't this such a nice neighborhood? Not really, I don't like it that much, but sit. Jenna, shut up. I don't like that song.
I hate that song.
Well, okay, then stop singing it.
The best I ever had.
It's Jenna.
It's Michael.
Now come on. Let's go. On my Barbie scooter. Look at a Barbie scooter. Well, actually it's Jenna's, but well, no, actually I want to send it to Ashley. I want her to see our neighborhood. Gay guys live there. Well, only one, but still. I'm scared of him because he has a ponytail. Let's go read this. Notice. This parcel of property. That girl that I always make fun of. Not make fun of, but take good word. I don't know. She might be a man. Oh, gosh. Another house. Some more houses. It's Ricky's house. Mitzi's. Sam's old house, but she moved.